Hi everyone, today I bring you a very important lesson to convert numbers to word automatically. Even it converts decimals, and also you can save your workbook, open it again, no need to repeat the process to have this ability. Let me show you how it works. For example, I delete this. Okay, now just double click here. Directly it calculates or converts all numbers to word. Here we have decimal 15.50, 15.25, 1,000,000.25 as you see. If you want to learn, watch to the end. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's start. First I have this code. Okay, don't worry about the code. I provide you the code in the description of the video. Just select all the code, Control A, then Control C. Now Alt F11, or just from here on the sheet, right click, view code, from insert module, paste the code, Control V. Just close it. Okay, come to here, equal sign, number, two orders. You get this option, double click on it, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. You see directly it changes number to words. If I double click here, for example to here, you see it converts pointers, decimals, 15.50, 15.25. As you see, double click, it converts automatically. Now I want to save the worksheet and bring it again. How I can do it? First of all, from File, come to Options, Trust Center, Trusting Center Settings, Enable Trust Center, this one. Okay, close. Oh, okay, good. Now just File, Save As. For example, in my desktop, or name it number two words. Not save it as Excel, save it as macro enabled workbook. Just in desktop, no, in E. Okay, macro, save it as macro enabled workbook. Save. Great. Now I close it. I come to Files, E, you see that's my workbook. I just saved it. Open it, double click on it. Here we have macros have been disabled. Just click enable content. Close. Now let me check again. Equal number two orders. Click this one. Enter. You see? No need to repeat the process. It works. Here, for example, I have 25 equal number two orders. You see it changes. That's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.